Been on a bit of a roller coaster lately. Temperatures are pretty mild to look back to November, and then we wrapped up the month just yesterday, had 2 days in a row in the 30s, which was quite a change compared to the mild weather we had leading up to that point. Then look where we got back to today, almost back to 50 degrees. So we'll settle down in the milder conditions moving forward. But as you can see, that couple-day stretch where we were down into the 30s, quite the departure from where we've been lately. But again, we do look for milder conditions moving forward. However, satellite radar right now shows a couple areas of high pressure. That weather system over Missouri, that won't bother us anytime soon. What we do have is slightly cooler air working in as we go into tomorrow. So temperatures may not be quite as close to 50 degrees, but we still are looking at a pretty mild day just around the corner. Tonight, down to 24. This is an improvement over last night, where last night we were down into the teens. Tonight, only the 20s expected. Still cold, but not quite as bone-chilling as what we had as of this morning. And as you look at the morning forecast, a few clouds every so often. Otherwise, temperatures slow to warm up. We're back above freezing, though, as we head into about the 10 o'clock hour and then close to 40 degrees by noon, just like we saw as of today. But like I mentioned, slightly cooler airflow does mean temperatures will be down a little. We're in the low 40s this time around, but that's still a handful of degrees above average. We'll see a mainly sunny sky by the time we get to the afternoon with a light southwest breeze gusting at times at 20 miles per hour. And we'll continue to be on this theme for a little while. We go into the weekend with lots of sunshine and mild conditions both Friday and Saturday. Sunday does look slightly cooler, and there is just an ever so slight chance we could see some flurries on Sunday. But for the most part, we are staying definitely dry and definitely mild as we go into the middle portions of December. So really, the start of this month looking remarkably quiet. You can see that reflected in the long-range outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. Basically, the tan colors show that we'll see below average precipitation, really not getting much, if anything, for rainfall or snowfall through the 16th. So we still have potentially 2 weeks worth of mainly dry conditions, but know where the green colors are. They're getting a little closer, and that means wetter than usual weather. That could be just around the corner. So don't quite get used to this dry weather. La Nina is eventually going to take over. That means colder waters in the Pacific. That'll adjust the jet stream for us. Usually leads to stormier winters around here, but we just aren't seeing that yet for the early parts of winter. However, that does change. Mild and dry for now, but eventually we've got signs of this. La Nina will take over by the end of this month. That means much more in the way of activity by the time we get to the late half of this month. So leading up to that point, pretty quiet. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the 40s through the next 7 days or so. And in your most accurate 10-day forecasts, conditions are going to stay mild long term through the end of next week. But take note, there's some of that change on the horizon. Saturday does have a chance for some rain and snow. That would be next Saturday, of course. James and Kristen.
Just can't escape it. It's coming eventually. Alex, thanks.